Feeling grounded? It's time to elevate your perspective, literally. If you've been dreaming of soaring through the skies or capturing breathtaking views that would make even a seasoned bird swoop with envy, then you've landed in the right spot. In this video, we'll take you on a high-flying adventure through the best DJI drones that money can buy. Whether you're a rookie pilot or a pro with the sticks, there's a perfect aerial companion waiting for you. Buckle up, it's time to take flight. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. DJI Neo, our pick for best budget DJI drone. Are you ready to elevate your drone game without breaking the bank? Meet the DJI Neo, your new aerial sidekick that's lighter than some of your favorite snacks at the barbecue. Weighing in at a feathery 135 grams, this drone won't just fit in your bag, it may even squeeze into your pocket. No FAA registration or remote ID required. Grab it, go on an adventure, and watch it turn any outing into a mini film set. Launching from your palm is as easy as pushing a button. Whether you're capturing jaw-dropping moments during a family picnic or tracking yourself zip-lining through the trees, the Neo's got you covered. With subject tracking and 8 creative quick shots modes, your vlogs will be the envy of all your friends. Worried about steering? No problem. You can fly Neo controller-free, give it voice commands, or use your smartphone. The choice is all yours. Flexibility is the name of the game here. And hold on to your hats, because this little powerhouse boasts 4K ultra-stabilized video. Windy day? No sweat. The DJI stabilization tech and level 4 wind resistance work like a charm, giving you smooth, film-quality shots every time. Plus, with full coverage propeller guards, even the most nervous flyers can dive and weave like pros. So, go ahead and unleash your inner filmmaker. The DJI Neo is ready to take to the skies in style. Number 4. DJI Avatar 2, our pick for best DJI drone for FPV flying. Are you ready to elevate your aerial game with the DJI Avatar 2? This isn't just a drone. It's your ticket to an adrenaline-fueled adventure. Slip on those goggles and feel the rush as you soar through the skies, enjoying a breathtaking view that'll make you feel like a rock star pilot. Minus the scary jet fuel bills. With intuitive motion control, flying has never been easier. Just think, no complicated buttons, just natural hand movements. Even if you're a newbie, you'll be navigating the air like a seasoned pro in no time. Want to show off? Go ahead and flip, roll, or drift 180 degrees. Your friends will be in awe. Capture every thrilling moment in stunning detail with 4K video and a super wide 155-degree field of view. The 1/1.3-inch image sensor is your new best friend for slow-motion greatness. Safety? Check. With built-in propeller guards, you can fly freely and boldly without worrying about those pesky oops moments. Whether you're crafting captivating POV content or just taking in the view, the lightweight design and handy light-cut app make filming a breeze. With up to 23 minutes of flight time and top-notch stabilization features, you'll be hitting all the high notes of drone flying. So, strap in and let the Avatar 2 take you on an unforgettable ride. Still searching for the perfect DJI drone? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. DJI Air3S, our pick for best DJI drone for enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your aerial photography game? Meet the DJI Air3S, the ultimate companion for every drone enthusiast out there. This isn't just any drone. It's your ticket to breathtaking travel shots that leave everyone asking, how did you get that? With its 1-inch CMOS primary camera, you'll capture stunning detail even when the sun dips below the horizon. Think sunsets and nightscapes that are more vivid than your wildest vacation memories. And when it comes to video, you won't settle for anything less than cinematic 4K at 60 frames per second with a jaw-dropping 14 stops of dynamic range. Say goodbye to washed-out skies and hello to those intricate cloud textures that'll make your friends jealous. Feel like a pro with the free panorama mode, stitching together stunning images for a wide-angle masterpiece. Plus, flying at night? No problem. The Air3S boasts clever LiDAR sensors making obstacle avoidance easier than dodging your aunt's questions at family gatherings. Worried about getting lost? Fear not. The next-gen Smart Return to Home feature ensures a smooth return, no matter how tricky the GPS gets. With a stellar 45-minute flight time and a 20-kilometer video transmission range, you're free to explore, capture, and conquer the skies. So strap in, get your Air3S ready, and start crafting memories that will make your social media followers drool. What are you waiting for? Adventure awaits. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, our pick for best DJI drone for features. Are you ready to elevate your aerial adventures with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro? This isn't just a drone, it's your ticket to capturing the world from breathtaking new angles. With a Hasselblad main camera boasting a 4/3 CMOS sensor and a stunning 20 megapixels, every shot you take will be worthy of a gallery exhibit. You can shoot in glorious RAW with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops because your photos deserve to reflect the true beauty of reality. Flying on fear? Not a chance. Thanks to omnidirectional obstacle sensing and the snazzy APAS 5.0, this little marvel keeps you on a collision course with creativity, rather than trees or other objects. With up to 43 minutes of flight time, you'll have more than enough juice to soar the skies and snap those sunlit vistas. And let's not forget DJI 3 Plus technology, offering a remarkable transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers. Stability? Check. Stunning visuals? Absolutely. To take it all a step further, it comes with the DJI RC, equipped with a bright 700 nit display that feels as good in your hands as an ice-cold drink on a hot summer day. So strap in, unleash your inner aerial artist, and take the skies by storm with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Your adventure awaits. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DJI Mini4 Pro, our pick for best DJI drone overall. Are you ready to elevate your flying game with the DJI Mini4 Pro? At under 249 grams, this nimble little marvel means you can swoop and soar without the pesky paperwork of registration. Yes, that's right, traveling light just got a whole new meaning. Unleash your inner filmmaker and capture jaw-dropping vertical videos in vibrant 4K at 60 frames per second HDR. Whether it's a breathtaking sunrise or a dazzling sunset, your footage will be postcard perfect right out of the camera. Forget about tedious editing. It's all about sharing those stunning moments at the click of a button. Worried about pesky obstacles? Fear not. This drone is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, so flying is safer and stress-free, even for first-timers. Let's face it, crashing isn't a good look. Long flights are no longer a pipe dream. With its extended battery life, the Mini4 Pro ensures you can explore vast landscapes without the dreaded battery anxiety. And if that's not enough, enjoy real-time aerial views with a remarkable 20-kilometer HD video transmission. Take command like a pro with customizable intelligent tracking, allowing you to capture every adventurous angle effortlessly. Plus, for those wanting to go all out, pair it with the RC motion and goggles for an immersive flight experience that'll have your heart racing. The sky's the limit, let's make some magic happen. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best DJI drones. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which DJI drone you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.